India's stock market is currently the 5th largest in the world and is expected to reach the $10 trillion market size by 2030. Our current market cap is 4.5 trillion US dollars and has become a top destination for global investments. India is one of the few global bright spots. India has contributed 15% of global growth according to the International Monetary Fund in 2023. Normally, the Nifty 50 index grows 2 to 2.5 times annually against the annual growth registered by the GDP of India. As the GDP of India has maintained 8% or more growth in all 3 quarters of the current fiscal year, the market is expecting 16 to 20% rise in the Nifty index in the current fiscal year. The current landscape for aspiring traders and investors in the Indian stock market is a tapestry woven with threads of promise and challenge. Some important points that may be worth mentioning include India's real estate sector, and I think you had traditional problems. These have been more or less overcome. The real estate sector, even if I say so, is doing exceptionally well. The real estate investment trusts, REITs, which enable foreign investors to bring money into the commercial sector, particularly warehousing, data centers, helps the investor to make money, maintain their profits, and then also provides an exit route. I think this is a very positive contribution to India's growth. Small and mid-cap funds have seen a surge in inflows from investors led by higher than expected performance of companies in these segments. In 2023, there were 182 SME IPOs, raising a total of 4,600 crores, a rise of above 150% from 1,800 crores in 2022. The regulator is now mandating additional disclosures in the case of listing SMEs, thus playing the role of a facilitator to promote trust and transparency. The overall size of the Indian mutual fund industry has grown from $9 trillion plus on 31st January 2014 to $52.74 trillion on 31st January 2024, a 6-fold increase in 10 years.
वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमें लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।